So we are in the white, cold Yelagin island. We managed to see some babushkas dancing. We managed to see Kazakh performance. We managed to see the palace and the both floors of amazing palace of Maria Feodorovna. And that's the spot where I've been earlier. I recognize this. That is Krestovskyi Island, one of the most posh, rich people places to live at. Finally, I got to, when I filmed that street over there, 2021, I actually thought then that, hey, that was at the spot over there. I thought then that, I wonder what it's like to walk over here. So now here I am, rocking like a hurricane. A lot of people enjoying the holidays. So I know my way around from that bridge over there, up ahead. Still got lots to walk. I get a huge amount of steps during my trips, during my streams. My record is, I think, was it 34,000 or 37,000. Today, right now, I think it's way over 10,000, probably. This is astonishing during the summer. This is so amazing place, and this is a huge island, Yelagin Island. By the way, my batteries are also dying because of the cold, so it's going to be interesting how we're able to get all the way to the Krestovskyi Island. There we can see actually over there up ahead is the amusement park of Krestovskyi Island. We are now finally able to get out. Because, by the way, skiing. What else can we talk about? A lot of it's maybe like 50 degrees cold, maybe more. And some dads and moms, if they have spare time, can come here and have a walk with their children. Yelagin Island is, of course, the best way to do so. And by the way, no, that's what I thought about. Is it free from this side? Imagine that people from Stara Derevnya would have to pay inside the Yelagin Island. And the ones from the south, from Krestovskyi Island side, for free. But no, we can see that there's the entrance fee over there. And once again, same thing we saw on the other side when we entered. You can see some ponies. I feel bad for them, but yeah. This bridge is much larger because Krestovskyi Island is very popular and interesting way. And there's an even bigger park right behind this amusement park. So this whole place is full of beautiful places, parks, places to walk. There we can see the Lachta Center. And we were there not far away, remember? On that park, that's park also, that's under that place, where is it? Over there, that's the St. Petersburg 300-year anniversary park, Petersburg. What's this? Trash collection or what? So we are leaving the beautiful, astonishing Yelagin Island behind. And we are continuing to Krestovskyi Island. Long overdue. And yes, well, eventually that's like a few kilometers, and that's the Gulf of Finland opening over there. And that leads to, behind us here, that leads to Neva River. But technically now finally on the Krestovskyi Island side. Really nice. We also want to climb up there and film a little bit. You want to see the park behind the amusement park. That's also on my channel, as you can imagine. Finally, we're out. This road over here leads us all the way to Krestovskyi Island, Krestovskyi Ostrov metro station. We're gonna go a little bit differently, so I'd like to see just a little bit of something new. So I've been wanting to get here for a while. This is the place where rich people live. So we are now on Krestovskyi Island. This is the place, one of the places where the rich people live. It's a close community, places, Wolf and Gate communities. Very popular place for people to visit all across St. Petersburg, because there's amusement park, awesome park that leads to Zenit Stadium, park that leads to Gulf of Finland opening, and that's really, it's a kind of small island, but it's a rich people's island. So subscribe to the channel, keep on watching. This is how it looks during the winter time. Go deeper inside. Central. No, not Krestovskyi Island. That's the island. So, trust me, these places, these houses, they're all gated first of all, because there's tons of tourists. Also, so that unwanted people wouldn't try to get in, probably. So there's like restaurants specifically done for the people who lives inside that area, because I'm not able to get to the Bull House or go inside the Kinga Club, or what is it? It's a sports club. There's special places just for, I guess, just for these people here. But I think I guess there is a way to get in, but if you somehow buy some services, then they would let you in probably. Check it out, what an entrance over there. And there's their own courtyard. In this case, I won't be getting in like I usually do in this central St. Petersburg. As you all know, I love to get in and just film the courtyards. Everything is shiny. And there are some older buildings like this one. But trust me, you can see actually it's a bit different than the ones in the central area. Even though central area is expensive as well. But here it can be very expensive as well. All of these buildings, they have this empirical style. Biblioteka, it means. That means a library. And of course, because rich people love plastic surgery, There's a Medici inside this place. It says plastic surgery and cosmetology. So it's I don't know, very stereotypical. So that's the park that we filmed. That's the Yelagin Island. There's a river between us. This place is awesome. I like the atmosphere here, even though it is rich people's place. So this is the place where to visit. Everybody loves to visit this place during the summertime, especially, and but only few can afford living in these places. Even though some buildings are not that maybe gorgeous, but trust me, the prices are high. By the way, we're not able to. Yes, we are. Let's go around a little bit. So you're not able to. You can't afford this unless you're a really rich person. You know. That's why the architecture here is also a certain way. And there's not a lot of people like walking around. But check it out. For example, if you want to get inside that place over there, it's all gated. There's like people checking you out. People checking you out. You have to have so you won't be able to get in even if you would like to. You know, everything is gated in a rich manner, in a rich way. People are looking at me badly because I'm filming. But this place, for example, where it's not a, it's some kind of it's a municipal building, so it has nothing to do with people who live here. And yeah, I love courtyards. I love finding, like, you know, secrets. That's why I love filming some other stuff on my other channel when I filmed First World War forgotten bases of Russia and Finland, for example. Now we're going to Krestovskyi Street. And I think I'm actually filming the same street again, which I filmed earlier on. I'm pretty sure. Check it out. I'm able to get through there, I hope. But this is not inviting, actually, you know. That's the problem. Alright, Krestovskyi Переулок, most posh area of St. Petersburg. Krestovskyi Island continues, and battery died, so switching to this camera. This. So, like I said, it's not a very. This place is not very likable to live, actually, even though it might look great, you know. Looks great, but there's not much services, for example. There's a lot of people living here, but this is not a typical St. Petersburg. You know, I don't hear sounds of children and stuff. Might be the time of the day though, but still, it's you can sense it's different. It's very different. Places are expensive. People, if they want to go out, they do. Like we saw, there was some services in the lower levels, for example, right inside the building. But usually these people, their taste is for, if they're so rich, they probably like to go to a place which suits their level, you know. So I'm not amazed that there's not a lot of services all around, at least not in the east of Krestovskyi Island. We go into the main street of this island, and on the right side is the metro. Metro is there, but check it out! What a building! Once again, beautiful flag. Sometimes it's not clean enough, you know. And there's not many public transportation. There's no traffic because people just don't. There's not too many people who live here, you know, or are in need of transportation. It's the best way to get to best way to get to this place is on metro line, like I did. Even though, well, like I normally would, I did it because I walked actually all the way through Yelagin Island from the north. Oh wow, this is very different during the winter time. It's much better, as you can imagine, during the summer, spring, even the fall. And just check it out. This is how rich people live in St. Petersburg. Not the richest though, but rich enough. So here is the Krestovskyi Island metro station. It's not the oldest one, it's actually a pretty new one. This, it's a purple line, my home line. But well, it's cold. I'm glad that we finished the video. Alright, I'm Igor, Russia. I make videos about Russia from St. Petersburg and elsewhere. Please subscribe to the channel. This was Krestovskyi Islands. Getting back to other videos soon, so check out my other Krestovskyi Island videos. Leave a like button and subscribe, and see you again in my other videos. Bye bye.